Hey Archie, how you doing? Hey, remember? How you doing? Getting any work done? You just sit there. Well, I put in a few more hours. Figured since the camera was handy, I'd give you another look. So, I'm gonna get down in here. Wish to be nice, but so that's not my permanent mounting, but I'm just kind of fleshing it into position. And yeah, there's my motor hooked to my drive shaft. There's the rear end. So the Ford 9-inch rear end is available in a 7.4 to 1 gear ratio. So that's what I'll be putting into it after I proof that this is going to work out for me. Now, hi Archie. Yeah. Now I've already made the motor run with the Thunderstruck VCM. Bench tested it, so I think by all means, now that I got this hooked up, I'm gonna hook another mount up, and I should be able to make this rotate. Watch some wheels spin, and yeah, that's my update for tonight. I'll see you next time.